What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is March 14th, 2024, Thursday, local time 7:33 p.m. I'm on Adobe. I will be analyzing Adobe. It had its earning report in the afternoon today, and it did beat its earning, but I will be analyzing it again, reanalyzing it again. If you do like the analysis, you know what to do. You can follow me here on TradingView, and I'm also available on X, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube as well. And don't forget to press a bell icon on YouTube. Okay, let's keep it simple. I said that it should go to 673 or 620 is the first resistance, and I clearly said that because the charts were telling me that because all the demands were working and all the higher time frame demands were working. Plus, it had a lot of momentum in it. So setup was A1, like 10 on 10. But the thing is, again, you need to understand uh, that this is business is always about probabilities. Any business, you name it, and you can understand. People who are doing business can relate it with me. Again, I clearly said do not trade options. And I'm again telling you, when I'm telling you do not trade options, there's a reason behind it because you don't know what IV is. So until you're paying for that service, not to me, like to the service provider, for IV, you don't even know what's going on. So that's why I always say do not do options. Now, the thing is, people who are trapped, who I feel are the people who bought stocks on margin from their margin account or people who did option calls. Okay, the thing is, you should never ever. That's how I tell everybody who are related to me or who are connected with me. It seems very good to take margin and trade, but banks are not fool, or your brokers are not. They are not. They have brains, right? They want to make money from you. They want every single trade to be executed so that the brokers can make money. So I'm not going off track. I'm trying to explain you that this is a lesson that people who did trade from margin account or who did bought options without understanding, that's not the correct way to conduct this business. Even people who shorted and they made money, the you like if first of all there was no short trade. Okay, and if you made money out of it, there's no point because you will ultimately end up losing money because you don't know the concepts, you don't know how market works. Okay, right now I'm telling you market is in quarterly demand zone and it's very powerful. I'm going to explain you, I'm going to break down now what Adobe is trying to do and what is the possibility, what is the future for Adobe. So stay with me. Hope I'm able to clear and make you understand some sort of psychology. I don't know if I'm using the right word. Let's understand what is happening here in price. This is the price action for Adobe now. So I'm on yearly charts. Price is inside yearly supply zone, and yearly I do take 9 months as well. And then if you go half yearly, look at this. Price goes in and then boom, it starts reacting. So look at this reaction. Price goes to 632.48 and then it makes a low of 532, $100 move. This is normal for stocks like these. Like I don't really mind. I don't really care. So this is what the power of uh, half yearly, yearly supply zone is. And if you go in quarterly, you will see another supply zone. So first time the price reacts from the body. Look at this. Price did a high of 566 and then it ultimately closed at 509, right? So you need to understand this wick is actually created because price has hit yearly, half yearly, quarterly supply zone. So it's testing, and in demand and supply, when it is testing a supply, it's weakening it. So ultimately, it should go like break it, but the breaching process, it takes time because all selling pending orders are here. So if you look here, all selling orders starts from here. So you don't know whether the orders are here, here, here. So we try to break down and see by going inside, the supplies, that where exactly can you find the bunch of those pending orders and then trade. That's why I was like, price is trading inside yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly supply. Do not monthly till quarterly. Price is trading in all those supply zones. Do not trade options. Okay. uh, Now if you go to quarterly, here, one thing that you will notice here is that this was tested. So I told you once, testing means that pending orders were picked up. So this was tested once, twice, because price did go, and this was the third time price was testing this. Okay, now understand, whenever a supply, I've told this again, I've discussed this before also, whenever a supply zone has to be breached, or it has to be broken, a new demand zone is formed. So we do see a powerful, and look at these structures. Whenever price is going up and it's forming quarterly demands, or half yearly demands, or yearly demands, I don't see no yearly demands here, but I do see demand on 9 month, 6 month, 3 month. So it means that they are buying. Okay, institutions are buying. This is their, they have their positions here. Now they made their positions somewhere here, then here, but they felt that the value, it looks like they felt that the value needs to go up. This is the fair value, and they are buying at every fair value for this stock. Now they have their positions here, and ultimately, trust me, they will try to protect whatever positions are here. Let's see how it goes, but price has actually touched this demand zone. If it breaks or not, we'll see that. But the thing is, it is reacting from a tested uh, quarterly supply. And now understand this, this is your supply zone on monthly. So price was, has never ever touched the wick. That's why I was like, it can go deeper inside, because the wick was tested multiple times. Look at this, it was tested here, here, one, two, three, almost three, four times wick. From price has actually moved from the wick of this supply, monthly supply. And understand, this is a monthly demand zone as well. So price was making beautiful structures while going up, because this demand actually breached this supply. So price is now inside this monthly demand. Okay, it actually came here, did a proper trade, and then it gave us entries, and then it started going up, and then it came down today. Okay, it is what it is. You cannot change the fact that price is here around 507, 508 levels. But you need to understand, this is your monthly demand, and this is also your quarterly demand. I'm going to turn on the drawings, so you will understand, this is your quarterly demand zone. Inside your quarterly, you have your monthly demand zone. And let's see, do we have weekly? I don't see no good weekly structures, but we need to have a stop loss level if you're trading all this. And then that's how you trade, and that's how you plan a trade. But here, when I was looking here, uh, this seems to be a good support. I won't lie to you. You see this red line, which is 508. So I don't want, price is literally here. So I don't want the week to close below this line. Then it's a trouble, because market will give you signs. Because what if this is a fresh selling zone, which is being made? So I don't want price to close under this red line tomorrow. If it closes, then yeah, it's a situation that needs to be taken into consideration. But for now, understand that price has a lot of momentum here, definite momentum here. And let's see what is in future for Adobe. But I don't feel unsafe, because Adobe is not a stock that can be manipulated by anybody, because it's not a small stock. It's a stock around $600. Let's see how it goes. But this setup, whatever I discussed, because monthly demands were continuously working and breaking monthly supplies. This supply was breached. So, and new structures, whenever a supply has to be broken, new structures are formed. Whenever a demand has to be broken, new structures are formed. Now, understand, price is going to open somewhere here tomorrow. So you will see this red candle, green candle won't be green anymore. You will see a red candle tomorrow, a big red candle here. So this can be a new supply zone. But let's see, because monthly candle is yet to be closed. We wait always for the closing. Now, that's pretty much it. Uh, when I'm telling you not to trade options, there is a solid reason behind it. Again, I'm telling you, this is a business, and business is only for risk takers. And you need to understand that it's a business of probability. Business is itself a game of probability, because you don't know. Imagine, I'm going to give you an example. Imagine that a movie is being made. The actors did the best acting, like whatever they were told, they did whatever they could, and they did their part. But again, they don't know how the audience will receive the movie. Will they appreciate it? Will they reject it, accept it? Nobody knows. This is what business is. I did my part, the charts are doing their part, but you don't know. That is why there is a stop loss level, and I have done a lot of earnings reports myself. You can watch it, like everything is there on TradingView and on YouTube, that every earning, I try to analyze it in the best possible way. And this is, like, I think this is the first time. I'm not, it's okay, whatever, first time, it can happen in the future as well. But what I'm trying to tell you is, I do my best whenever I'm analyzing something. I'm doing it with all my brains, all my I give my 100% into it. And yeah, if news comes out, I usually don't follow it, but I don't really care uh, about news. But again, it is what it is. uh, you need to understand that that is why we have stop loss levels. Take it and move out. Okay, if you're with margin or you're with options in it, just move out. But if like I have it here, I have cash trades. I don't trade on margin, I don't trade options until and unless I'm very sure. So I feel I'm going to hold. I have stocks I'm going to hold, and this could be a stop loss hunting as well. So institutions, they do hunting. I don't really care. I care. All I care about is making money. I will make money. I'm going to show you how I will make money from Adobe very soon. But understand, do not trade options. Do not trade on margin account. Learn the whole process. Understand the whole process, and then trade. Take care. Do not panic. Do not try to go in the other direction right away, because if you have a lot of selling here, it means sellers are in charge, and then you will have buying also here. So price can go sideways. Okay, price can go sideways. So let's see how it opens tomorrow. And again, consider this red line as a very good support. If it breaches, then we'll see what to do. But I'm holding. I'm telling you, I'm with you in this. If you have stocks, I'm with you in this. So have a wonderful trading day tomorrow. Do not panic. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. All right. Take care, and don't forget to follow me. I'm here on TradingView. The name is The Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. All right. Take care. Bye bye.